Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today, we are going to thoroughly discuss a strategy that is primarily based on trend lines. So, how exactly is this trend line strategy effectively utilized here, and how can we consistently trade using these specific trend lines? That's precisely what we are going to carefully examine in today's detailed video. First of all, I want to clearly tell you that this video is absolutely not financial advice. I am absolutely not recommending that you actively trade or invest your valuable hard-earned money here. This is just my own personal analysis and the specific way I personally trade. I am doing this only for myself, okay guys? So this particular video is only for educational purposes, okay? So let's now start the video. Here, I have carefully drawn a trend line and also marked some important levels as well. The market is coming down from this particular level, so in reality, it truly seems that the market is indeed moving down from this specific level and will eventually touch our lower support level, right? If it continues to go down, it will certainly touch this important level below. So what exactly does that mean for us? The market can potentially form a red candle. There were 2 previous green candles, and if 3 consecutive red candles form, then a significant buying movement can come after that. So we can confidently place a trade for a buy if the market comes down just a little bit more. Okay guys, okay, so let's patiently wait and carefully see what precisely happens here. Alright guys, so what exactly did I do here in this situation? I placed 3 distinct trades for an upward movement. You can clearly see here the precise way we meticulously mark the levels. The market has decisively broken through that crucial level here. The specific level in the market that I was just telling you about, the market has clearly shown a good amount of buying interest from that particular level and has formed a strong green candle. And if I move our level a little bit lower, our level has also been broken out here. Alright, that means the market wants to go more in our direction. That's why we took the trade for our direction. So guys, let's wait and see what happens here in the market, what the market sentiment does. Overall, the market is moving upward, it's pumping. Let's wait. So whenever, according to the trend line in the market, how does the trend line work? A trend line always works just like support and resistance. The way support and resistance work, the same scenario applies to our trend line. So just like this is our support and this is our resistance, in the same way, this is our support and this is our resistance. It's the same scenario, support and resistance for the trend line. So guys, you can see this. Yes, but the trade here has already become profitable. So now what did we do here? You can see it here. From here, we have carefully placed a significant level in the market. If I extend it just a bit more, you will clearly understand precisely why I positioned this level here, so you can easily see it. From here, the market initially went up, then experienced a pump down, and subsequently gave a breakout, meaning it broke through this level. It repeatedly keeps touching this point, and overall, our market trend is moving upward. Similarly, we have the upper level, and if we extend it further, as we did, we will understand how we established this level. You can observe here, this was our trend line, and this is how we drew it. You might have understood a bit. Let's take 12 more trades. Okay guys, so you can also see this. We have set this level, right? And after setting the level here, you can see that yes, it has consolidated here and the market has consolidated at this point. After that, the market moved downwards, and from the second level you set, the market has now moved upwards from this level. Now, overall, the movement of the market will be such that it will touch our level here. So the market is about to touch this level. At this point, there could be a movement downward, okay? Before that, there is no chance that our market will go downward. So let's wait, guys, and see what happens here. If it gives a closing below this box, then we will try to take a downward trade, okay? So let's wait here, guys, and we are about to place a trade for the downward movement here. Okay guys, so here I have continuously and consistently placed trades of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a total of $2,000 in all. Alright, okay guys, this is a really truly good investment we've successfully made here, and we have invested at a very, very optimal and advantageous level. Alright, now you can see here, what is the scenario of our market? As I explained to you, the market overall has moved downward. This is our level, and this is also the level of the trend line. The other thing is, the upper level of our trend line is here. So what happens there is that it acts as a strong resistance level. So right now, the market has officially closed here without any discernible wick. There is absolutely no wick present here, which clearly means there aren't many active buyers at this particular point in time. So there are significant chances that the market could potentially form a red candle here. All right, because overall, the market can come down to this level. Let's patiently wait, guys, and carefully observe what precisely happens here. Okay, everyone, so some of our executed trades here have indeed been quite profitable, and conversely, some other trades have unfortunately resulted in a financial loss. So let's meticulously review, guys, what exactly has transpired and what the overall outcome has been. Okay, upon closer inspection, you can clearly see, guys, that only a single one of our trades ultimately ended in a loss here. Just one solitary trade was a loss, and remarkably after that, all our subsequent trades were consistently profitable. However, we should ideally be seeing a red candle forming on the chart right now, guys. It really should be a red candle, unless, of course, a green candle unexpectedly forms here instead. There should have been a red candle here, but it's okay. Whenever this happens, if this candle doesn't turn red, then the next candle usually does. That's how it goes. So let's see, guys. Let's watch what happens. So let's see what happens, guys. So what I did here, you can see this particular candle didn't turn red, but the next candle here did turn red. All right. That means it's clearly indicating that sellers are reacting quite strongly and actively in the market here, demonstrating their significant presence. They are taking decisive action and firmly taking control of the situation. That's precisely why we took another strategic trade for the downward action for the very next candle. Okay, so let's patiently wait, guys, and carefully observe just how heavy the selling pressure truly is here. And if the selling is indeed really heavy and sustained, it can certainly create a prominent red candle, meaning our trade could go in a very positive and profitable direction. So let's continue to wait patiently, guys, and meticulously see what ultimately happens here. Therefore, whenever you have to place a trade or decide to take a trade, you need to be absolutely sure and confident in your analysis. Specifically, whenever you take a trade, your projection of future price movements matters a great deal, your identified levels matter significantly, and your precise timing matters profoundly. Indeed, there are a multitude of intricate and interconnected things to carefully consider before making any trading decision. In trading, if you consistently fail to diligently follow these crucial things, they can inevitably lead to significant and regrettable financial losses for you. The most important and paramount thing I'll tell you is that to be consistently profitable, you absolutely need one good, well thought out decision and precise, impeccable timing. So what exactly is this? The binary platform, the trading platform, is inherently very risky. Trading itself is an exceptionally risky endeavor, so whenever you engage in scalping type trading, the exact timing, like 11:55 seconds or even 10 seconds, matters a great deal. So you need to be absolutely sure that whenever you execute a trade, your timing, the precise timing of placing your trade, should be very secure and well calculated. You should know exactly where and precisely why you are placing a trade. Otherwise, it will be very dangerous and potentially detrimental for you. I'm not recommending anything specific to you. I'm just genuinely sharing the valuable things I personally experienced myself. This is just my detailed analysis regarding the currency pair EUR-USD. What exactly is it about EUR-USD that we need to pay close attention to? We can definitely utilize a robust trend line here to identify key movements. Where precisely will we implement this trend line for our analysis? Okay, for this particular scenario, let's effectively use the panel channel as our primary trend line indicator. This specific point will serve as our first significant level of support or resistance, and subsequently, this other point will clearly represent our second crucial level. The established trend line is observed to be moving upwards from this initial position, continuing its ascent, steadily rising, and right here, it is distinctly giving a breakout signal. If the market indeed provides a confirmed breakout to the upside, then we can anticipate and expect to witness a substantial and significant buying surge in the market. Therefore, let's carefully zoom in further and precisely mark a strong pivotal level where the market could potentially extend its movement and reach new highs. Otherwise, we'll wait for the downward move. So guys, I have carefully placed one downward trade here just because there hasn't been a clear breakout in the market yet. If there is no breakout, then there is a strong chance that the market will indeed move downward. That's precisely why I have placed another trade on the upside as well. Okay guys, so I have placed 3 more trades on the upside. Because there is absolutely no chance that the market will go up, the only real chance is that the market will come down and create a significant red candle, guys. Okay, so let's patiently wait and truly take advantage of this particular situation here. That's really good for the market because when we know there's significant selling pressure in the market and the market is moving up only due to a fake or an accidental move, then it will be a truly diamond chance for us to place a profitable trade here. So I saw exactly that precise situation and directly placed a trade for a downward move here, guys. Okay, so you can clearly see how the market is moving downwards. So guys, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, I would definitely tell you to join our Telegram. I've put the direct link in the description below. You can go there and join our Telegram. Okay, guys? Okay, so you just saw how we effectively traded here for a red candle. If the market had given a clear breakout here, if this particular candle had given a strong breakout, then it could have been a definite chance that the market would go and touch the specified level. So we could have taken full advantage of that. knowing that the market is indeed going to touch the level. When we trade in that precise way, it will be very good for us because that's precisely what technical price action says. That's exactly what market psychology says. That's what buyers and sellers psychology truly says, okay? So guys, I sincerely hope you thoroughly liked this video. If you liked the video, please do like it. And if you're new to the channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. Bye-bye.